What up, what up, what up, everybody? This is your boy Money Making Jets, and I'm back at it again with another daily debriefing for Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. Oh man, it's been a crazy 24 hours, people. The election is over. It's still a tight race. No winner has been announced yet. It's going to go down to the wire, people. This is going to be epic. This is going to be in the history books. Is going to be epic. I hope everyone who listens to this channel did go out and vote. But if you didn't, hey, you can't complain about nothing. But we'll see where the dice fall. I guess is anybody's White House. But anyway, today we're going to discuss and talk about spread. So basically, does the Forex AskBid spread really matter? And to me, I say yes, because that's like your initial investment when you open up a new position versus its buy or sell. All right. So you want to find basically currency pairs that have a low spread, but also are very liquid as well. Then again, you, you don't want to find, to me, uh, a pair that has a high spread, because that means that that's going to take away from your profits. So you basically want to find, to me, because it's all about you in it for the money, is to find currency pairs that have low spreads and have and they're very liquid. You know what I'm saying? So that there is going to take some research, and what I found out to be very useful, because I was actually going to cancel TradingView and just stick with my MT4 platform scanners, but I find that the Forex scanner on TradingView is by far more superior than what I was using on my MT4 platform. Man, once you drill down in the amount of filters and the amount of AI indicators you can use is mind-boggling. It makes no sense to use an indicator on a chart, and I can do it with my Forex scanner through TradingView, and it constantly updates, and I can see what's going on. So currently, right now, I'm playing around with the Forex screener on TradingView. By far more superior than what I had on the MT4 platform. So I've kind of axed that out of my strategy and using the TradingView. So I'm gonna keep TradingView for now. I'm not gonna use it too much for my charts, but for sure I'm gonna use it for my AI technical analysis. By far superior, and also it can be a backup to my Market Milk by Baby Pips. Only thing with Baby Pips is it's free and it's still in beta, so there could be some quirks with that. But TradingView has been around forever and it's a paid service, so they're going to actually put the money and time in making sure this thing is accurate, more so than, to me, a free offering. Okay, but I could be wrong. But so far, I'm definitely going to swing back this way to TradingView for my AI um, technical analysis stuff, my indicators. I still use Market Milk because Market Milk is kind of like it's very quick in telling me. It's more like a dumbed down version of TradingView, but I'm definitely going to use both of them. But eventually, I would like to migrate just using TradingView in Market Milk as just a backup. I don't know. So right now, I'm using both of them equally. All right. So with that said, yeah, people. I mean, spread really matters because it goes into your profit. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So just be careful when you do make a trade. Always look at the spread because that will eat away at your profit. So if you go up 100 pips, but your spread is 70 or 50 or 40 or 20, and at $10, I mean, if you're trading the standard lot, that's a lot of money. So be very careful on your spreads, people. So I would do some research, like I have, in finding what are the low costs. First of all, you got to make sure your brokerage firm has a low spread, because some of these brokerage firms are not created equal when it comes to spreads. So be conscious of that as well. I use Forex.com and very limited because I'm in the United States and with brokerage I can use. So far, I'm pleased with them, but I'm definitely always on the search for brokers that has lower spread because I want to keep most of my profit. Okay, so it is what it is, people. I mean, all trading has a spread. You know what I'm saying? It's just basically what the spread is. Excuse me. Is the difference between the bid, quote unquote, sell price and the ask, quote unquote, the buy price of a currency pair. That's all that it is. That's how these brokerages make their money because most of them don't charge you a commission. If they do charge you a commission, you better hope you you don't have a spread or your spread is by the pennies. So just be conscious of that. So if you have a brokerage firm that's charging you a commission and a high spread, get out. Get out. I'm just telling you, find another brokerage firm. Okay, is this the price of doing business? So I'm still on Pipsology, still in the fundamental analysis. I'm really liking this about the interest rate. Learn about how that all goes down. It's written very well. I'm still reading the Forex Trading for Beginners 2020. This book is phenomenal. I cannot put it down. It has so many gems in it. I really think this book was written by somebody on the inside. I'm going to do some more research on the author, but this person is giving a lot of gems, people. Highly recommended book. This needs to be either in your library, your hardcover, physical book library, or on your Kindle or somewhere downloaded somewhere. I have a link to it. It's not that expensive, and if you're already a Kindle user, it's free. Okay, so people, get a Kindle account. Why don't you have a Kindle account? This does not make any sense. I will have a link in the show notes for you to get a Kindle account. Okay? Get a Kindle account today. I cannot express my feelings towards Kindle enough. The Kindle Cloud Reader is my best friend. Woo, my best virtual friend, I would say. But anyways, enough of that. And today's quote is, think twice before you speak, because your words and influence will plant the seed of either success or failure in the mind of others. Napoleon Hill. So, as the good book says, reap what you sow type thing, the same logic. Okay, people? Be mindful of what you say to people. Man, I wish they'd come on and announce this winner. But I will tell you a positive note to all my weed heads out there. Come to AZ. It's legal now for recreational use. It's about to be popping up in here. It finally passed. All right, enough of that. So I did drive for Lyft last night. It was profitable. I made my quote, made a little bit of extra money. For some odd reason, it was busy last night. It was I don't know people. I don't know. It was just busy for a Tuesday. Kind of weird. I don't know. Just one thing about driving for ride sharing companies is that you just never know how the day's gonna end up. Days you think you can make a lot of money, don't make anything really. And then certain days you're like, I may make a little bit. You make a bag. You know what I'm saying? It's 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 one of them things where it's so dynamic. You know what I'm saying? It changes by the hour. You may find a honey spot one day, next day is dead. The only thing that's really a honey spot, I would say, especially in the Phoenix area, are the two airports. You know what I'm saying? You usually can find decent rides. You know what I'm saying? But sometimes you will wait. Lately, there's not really been a long wait just because the amount of drivers isn't as much as it was pre-COVID. But people, another side hustle. This is a good way to make your money for your future live accounts. You know what I'm saying? If you if you just try and figure out a way, man, how am I gonna get that 5K plus to build my live account? join a ride sharing organization or even do the food or pizza delivery, whatever, and use that money. I would say take most of it, 67% of what you make, and put it towards your live account. The rest of it, gas and insurance, whatever you need to do to keep the car going. But at least put 60 to 70% of that money that you make and drop it into your account or savings account, okay? Because that right there can fund it. You know what I'm saying? There's ways you can fund it. Another way you can fund building your forex trading or whatever investment account you're trying to fund is do an eBay store. Buy resell overstock stuff. You can resell a lot of different stuff. And one of the sites that I use is called Bstock. It's bstock.com. Sign up for that. You can get anything you can imagine off the site. And most of it's shelf pull, new stuff, overstock stuff, returns, and it's from all the big manufacturers, everyone. Go to bstock.com, sign up, and man, you can make money. Lately, I haven't been doing too much of it because learning this forex at the beginning took up a lot of my time. But now that I'm kind of in my groove, I'm gonna get back into buying products to resell on my offer up in my Facebook marketplace. I kind of cut out eBay and Amazon just because it's such a hassle with packaging and the cost is really high and it eats at your profit. If you're a low volume like me, it just doesn't make sense. So I'm basically gonna buy stuff. Either it's gonna go to the pawn shop. It's either gonna go to Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. Uh, Let Go has joined with OfferUp, so they're one company now. Because I used to do Let Go as well, but Let Go and OfferUp are one now, which is good. There's also another company called Smart Lots as well, where you can buy liquidation stuff to resell. But my primary is B Stock and Smart Lots are places you can go to find resale stuff through liquidations and stuff like that. There's also another site like Blue Lots. There's a ton of places where you can find this stuff. But B Stock, I find it to be the most reputable. I've ordered a lot of stuff from there. They have a really good rating system. Their customer service is phenomenal. I would push you to B Stock. Okay. Joining B Stock, you will need resale license. So get that. I'm in Arizona, so wherever state you're, I'll look that up. And you definitely want to get an LLC. All my companies are under Collins Capital Holdings, and Collins Bazaar is the name of my resale business, and that's under the umbrella of Collins Capital Holdings, plus my other stuff that I have. So you definitely want people to incorporate yourself. I'm not a business attorney or anything like that, but you want to protect yourself. So look into that, and I would say also do an S corp. That's where you can elect it for the IRS type stuff. But once again, talk to your tax lawyer and your accountant on that. But you definitely want to get involved with that. Okay. So basically that's it for today, people. I'm gonna start giving a lot of like side hustle gym stuff like that on top of the Forex stuff because you gotta have multiple streams of income to make it nowadays and to build up that account, find something that will pay for it. You know what I'm saying? I mean if you gotta go mow lawn, shovel snow, I don't know, go work at the grocery store, I don't know. Find something to get that bankroll up for your initial live trading account once you get to that stage. But start now. Don't wait until a year from now trying to get that together. Start now so you won't be pressured and figuring out where you're going to get that initial investment to start live trading and making money in this market and other financial markets we're going to discuss. Okay. All right. How everybody feeling? Everybody feeling great today? I hope so. And remember the golden rules that we have for Forex trading. Okay. And once again, the contest is still on, people. Win 100 plus bonus by answering the questions I have in the show notes, or go to my website, mmjdoesforex.com, to get all the rules, what you got to do, and how you submit, and what you can win. Subscribe to all of my channels. It's all in the show notes. And if you want to support me, you can send me Bitcoins. Love them. I've never seen one, but I love them. Or you can just buy me a coffee. You know what I'm saying? Links are all in the show notes. Appreciate it. And people, be more financially free than yesterday. This is your boy Money, making chess, and I'm out. Yeah.